This is Samuel from Stadler Forum, and today I'd like to talk to you about a little detail on Oskar and Oskar Big. We do have this filter change reminder, which is a little light that starts blinking after 2 months of operation. It should remind you about exchanging your filters on your Oskar or Oskar Big. So what you want to do if this light starts blinking is to grab a new pack of filters and exchange the old ones with the new ones. If you have done this, the only thing that remains is to reset this blinking light. For this, you just push the reset button for about 6 seconds and this blinking light will disappear. So that's all you have to do. If you have any other questions, write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and bye bye.